Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to get A2P verified on Zoho, so you can send bulk SMS messages without getting blocked or flagged. First off, log in to your zoho-crm or campaigns account and go to the SMS settings section. Look for A2P verification or compliance setup. This is required if you're sending high-volume business SMS. Here's a pro tip. Have your business info ready, including name, address, tax ID, and message templates. Fill out the A2P registration form. Include your use case, expected message volume, and how recipients opt in. Verify your phone number ownership. Zoho will need proof that you own or control the number you're using. Don't forget to submit supporting documents like a business license or website proof to speed up approval. Once done, wait for confirmation. Most verifications take 1 to 3 business days, so should you feel stuck with low message limits? Not anymore. With A2P verification, you'll enjoy better delivery and higher throughput. Let me know in the comments if you've tried A2P verification with Zoho and how it worked for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.